Hello and welcome to 10x Office. In today's video, I will show you how you can create your own free portal style website in a couple of minutes. But before I do that, let me give you some introduction to our great websites. Number one, these websites are mobile friendly, so you do not have to code or hire somebody to make them look good on your cell phones. They also look good on your tablets, and they are designed to convert your traffic into leads. So I'm going to show you some of the features of our websites that makes them so great for franchise and business brokers. So number one reason why people love our websites, if you take a look, they're equipped with lots of call to action that drive your customers' attention so we can convert them into a lead. For example, there's a call to action right up here on the very top of the screen. This is the first thing that your prospects actually see. And you can use that as a way to convert them into a lead. So in this case, I am publishing free franchise guide. By the way, this call to action can be changed by you and turned into something else. For example, top 10 mistakes, or save $1,000, whatever you like. When you click on it, we actually open up a great lead funnel, and lead funnels are designed to keep your customers' attention and engage them in a very friendly way, and then convert that prospect into a lead. The second thing you will notice right here is at the bottom right hand side, you have a chat funnel. Now, this message could be anything, but in this case, it says, "Hi, I can save you thousands of dollars on a franchise purchase. Let's talk." Once again, the idea is somehow get that customer information so you can start interacting with them. And as you already know, once you have that lead in 10x Office, you can automatically trigger them a text message, an email, a video email, so that way you can engage with that prospect right away as well. So let me just show you. When they click on it, guess what? You take them to a different lead funnel, and you can do that as well. And all of these lead funnels that I'm showing you, they're customizable, so we can actually change them. And you can reach out to us, and we'll be happy to help them. But there are many templated lead funnels already in the system that you can use. The third thing you will notice is on your left hand side. So right here at this bottom, what we're doing is what we call social proof in this case. So a lot of time you will see companies using online products and they're spending $200-300 a month for review management software. The good news is the users of 10x Office get that software for absolutely free. So yes, you can use this system to collect reviews with Google, Yelp, Facebook, or many other online review platforms. You can use that, or you can collect them within 10x itself. Okay, but the idea here is that you ask your prospects, the people that you have done business with. So for example, in case of brokers, it's your customers, like the people for whom you have sold the business for, franchisors, because they trust you as well, so you can ask them to review you. People who have bought franchises from you, they can be a great source of reviews as well. But the point is, you can use 10x Office to request them a review. So all they do is they get a little SMS link or an email link. They click on it, they give you a star rating, they write a couple of lines in the system for you, and we can display them here. And if you are already collecting reviews on Google or Facebook, then we can collect those as well and display them here for you. So all it does is when a prospect comes and look at your website right here, they see this review and they go like, "Oh wow, that means other people trust this product, so I can trust them as well." So just give them a little bit of a nudge to get them closer to contact you, basically. Okay. Next thing that a lot of brokers tell me that they love about this product is that many brokers like to publish this data on their website. So for example, if you go to this a particular concept and you want to put it on, let's just say, on Facebook or LinkedIn or whatnot, so you have the social share button. You simply click on one of these buttons and you can share it on your website. That's what makes them really, really awesome as well. And then obviously within the particular concept as well, we have a couple of call to action. So if somebody goes down all the way bottom of the screen, we have a call to action. "Hey, would you like to learn more about this concept?" "Yes," and then we basically add them to a site cart as well. And similarly, we also have a button right here for request more information if somebody wants to directly request information about this particular concept. So those are some of the features that are built in this particular system. So there's nothing you need to do. You don't need to have a developer. You don't need to have any third-party integration required. They just kind of work right inside 10x Office. So it takes you a couple of minutes to generate a website like this. Now, there are many other advantages of having this website. So the advantage number one is that you don't have to update this website. It auto updates. So whenever we have a new franchise concept, somebody new comes on board, that is automatically added to your listing. So there's nothing you can do. They will just automatically show up. Your customers can always search by industries, by investments, all that stuff. They automatically show up. Okay, that's number one reason. Number two reason is that you can also add resales in here. So whenever we have a resale available from the franchisor, we automatically add those here for you. So there's nothing you need to do to display those resales. And the third thing is, if you are a business broker, you can add your own listings onto this pages as well. So as you notice right up here, we have two tabs for franchises and business. So you can actually display your own listings in here as well, right? So that means you can have a lot of data on your website. And lastly, if you wanted to participate in our co-op program, meaning you wanted to work with other brokers, then they are also looking for referrals just like the franchisors are. So instead of sending that lead to a franchisor, you can send it to another broker and earn yourself a nice co-op fee on that transaction as well. Okay. Now, the beauty of this entire system is, imagine, let's say if there's a gas station or there's a restaurant and you display it on your website, when that lead comes in, it's your lead. So there is a chance that maybe you can, convert them and sell them a franchise or sell them some other business. But the point is, it creates an opportunity for you to capture that lead. So those are some of the great reasons why people love these particular websites. Okay. In addition to that, the cost is a big factor. If you have owned a website in past, or if you have worked with developers, as you know, they're expensive. It costs thousands of dollars to manage a website like this. Data entry, adding new products, managing the imagery, all of that takes a lot of time and effort. I mean, with the websites that you generate out of 10x Office, there's no hosting cost, so you don't have to pay any third party. There is no security cost. There is no IT or management fees. We take care of all of that for you. The sites are automatically backed up. They're automatically encrypted. They auto update. So you can imagine a lot of that headache that comes with website maintenance is completely gone, especially if you're a bigger organization. If you have like sub brokers under you, let's just say if you have 10, 20 brokers, 30 brokers, you can give each one of them their own website with a couple of clicks, basically, right? So that makes life really, really easy for you, as well as for your brokers as well. So hopefully you understand why this website are better than other websites that you see. So without any further ado, let's get started and let's take a look how you can create a beautiful website like this in 10x Office.